Over 85% of people, especially teenagers, struggle with stubborn acne. They develop due to various factors like hormonal changes, stress, weak immune system and unhealthy food style. These factors lead to excess secretion of oil which clogs the skin pores. Impurities get trapped in the clogged pores which leads to bacterial growth causing acne. The best method to treat acne in long term is to follow proper hygiene and food routine. But if you want to deal with the present acne, then you can resort on home remedies instead of commercial treatments. Apple cider vinegar, honey, clay mask and lemon are some of the effective ones to try. Is apple cider vinegar good for acne? Apple cider vinegar contains antibacterial and antiseptic properties which kills the bacteria causing acne. As a natural detoxifier, it deals with free radicals and other harmful toxins that contribute to acne. Alpha-hydroxy acid present in it cleans the skin pores by exfoliating the dead skin cells and impurities. It restores the pH level of the skin by balancing the acid-alkaline levels which helps to regulate the oil production. Due to anti-inflammatory properties, it reduces redness, swelling, and pain. Apple cider vinegar contains vitamins and minerals essential for your body to fight acne, speed up the healing process, and reduce scarring. As an astringent, apple cider vinegar dries out the pimples. It creates a protective layer on the skin to prevent dryness and let it breathe properly. It contains high levels of beta-carotene that counteracts the damage caused by free radicals. How to use apple cider vinegar for acne? Apple cider vinegar can be used alone or in combination with other ingredients. You can choose one of the various methods mentioned below and try it regularly to combat the acne. 1. Apple cider vinegar, alone. These are different methods of using apple cider vinegar alone to treat acne. Method 1. Using a small cotton ball, apply apple cider vinegar on the affected areas. Leave it to dry completely. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Repeat the process daily. Note, if you have sensitive skin, dilute apple cider vinegar with water. The quantity of water depends on the strong nature of acne you can handle. For added benefits, you can add tea tree oil, aloe vera gel or witch hazel. Method 2. Apple cider vinegar spray, toner. Mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of water. Pour into an empty spray bottle. Spray this mixture on your affected areas and leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Wash off with water. Repeat the same process regularly. Note, store apple vinegar spray bottle in refrigerator for a cooling effect. Method 3. Steaming with apple cider vinegar. This process opens up the pores and removes the impurities from the skin pores. Bring water to boil and remove from the flame. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Cover your head with a towel and bend towards the bowl. Take facial steam for 5 minutes. Remove the towel and splash some cold water and pat dry. Repeat the process regularly. Method 4. Apple cider vinegar drink. This fights the problem inside out. It helps to flush out the toxins from the body. The vitamins and minerals present in it boost your immune system. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Stir well and consume it. For taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Note, apple cider vinegar can damage your tooth enamel, so it is better to drink it using a straw. Undiluted apple cider vinegar can cause irritation and burning sensation, so always dilute it before drinking. 2. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda acts as exfoliator while apple cider vinegar kills the bacteria and balances the pH levels of the skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Use fingers to apply the mixture as a mask. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes or until the skin becomes dry and tight. Rinse with cool water, pat dry, and apply moisturizer. Repeat once weekly. Note, both apple cider vinegar and baking soda are drying agents. So, after trying out this process, apply a good moisturizer that addresses acne as well. 3. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Honey contains antibacterial properties which fight with the bacteria causing acne. Apart from that, it hydrates the skin by locking the moisture in skin cells. Wash your face with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser, massaging in circles to clear pores and increase circulation. Exfoliate with baking soda. Steam your face for 3 minutes by covering your head with a towel and leaning over a pot of hot water. Apply 2 tablespoons raw honey to your face, rubbing gently in small circles. Stop when the honey becomes sticky enough to pull on the skin. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Carefully pat dry without rubbing. Use a cotton ball to apply a 1-to-1 mixture of apple cider vinegar and water, wiping it on in upward strokes. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat the process regularly. 4. Apple cider vinegar and garlic. Garlic contains strong antibacterial properties which fight with bacteria causing acne. Crush a few garlic cloves to extract its juice. Add equal quantity of apple cider vinegar and stir well. Using a cotton ball, apply on the affected skin. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process regularly until you achieve the results. 5. Apple cider vinegar and onion juice. Onions contain sulfur which contains antibacterial properties. It helps in combating the bacteria causing acne. Mix equal quantities of apple cider vinegar with fresh onion juice from the fridge. Apply on the affected skin using a cotton ball. Leave to dry, then wash off with lukewarm water followed by cold water. Apply this mixture regularly to get rid of pimples. 6. Apple cider vinegar and aloe vera. Aloe vera absorbs excess oil from the skin and removes the impurities from skin pores. Mix unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, water and aloe vera gel. Using a cotton ball, apply on the affected skin. Massage it gently in a circular motion. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat the process regularly. For added benefits, you can also use coconut oil, jojoba oil or witch hazel instead of aloe vera gel. 7. Apple cider vinegar and olive oil. Dilute apple cider vinegar and water in 1-to-1 ration. Using a cotton ball, apply it on the affected areas. Leave the application for 30 minutes. Rinse off the application and pat dry. Take 2 to 3 drops of olive oil and rub it on the affected area. Let the skin absorb the oil completely. 8. Apple cider vinegar and sea salt. Sea salt fights with the bacteria and removes the impurities from the skin pores. Mix apple cider vinegar and sea salt. Apply the mixture on the affected areas. Leave the application overnight. Rinse off the application in the morning. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a week. 9. Apple cider vinegar and lemon. Combine half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Using a cotton ball or Q-tip, apply the mixture on acne. Leave the application to dry overnight. Rinse off with water in the morning. Repeat the process daily. For added benefits, you can add few drops of tea tree oil or citrus oil. Tips and precautions. Always use raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. Drink through a straw to prevent damage to the teeth enamel. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can cause irritation, so make sure to dilute it. Apple cider vinegar leaves a strong scent, so make sure you wash it off completely. Apple cider vinegar stings if applied over open wounds or too near to the eyes. Always apply sunscreen before going out in the sun. Do a patch test first to prevent any irritation. Apple vinegar increases the skin's sensitivity to sun rays, so be sure to apply sunscreen lotion. Do not use around the eye area as it causes damage to the eyes. Unfortunately, if apple cider vinegar goes into eyes, then rinse immediately. Wash off after 5 minutes if you are a first-time user. Do not apply concentrated apple cider vinegar on the face. The mixture should be 50% diluted. Extra care should be taken while consuming apple cider vinegar as concentrated apple cider vinegar proves most deleterious for the body.